Hey everyone, you just bought your first cryptocurrency on Kraken. You're excited, you're pumped, but you're also a little lost. You've got your coins, but where do you keep them? How do you access them? That's where your Kraken wallet address comes in. Ever wondered, where's my Kraken wallet address? Let's dive in and find out together. What is a wallet address? Think of your wallet address like a digital mailbox. It's a unique code that identifies your specific wallet on the blockchain. When you send cryptocurrency to someone, you are essentially sending it to their wallet address. On Kraken, you have a few different wallet options, each with its own address. But for simplicity's sake, let's focus on your main Kraken account wallet. Finding your Kraken wallet address, the easy way. The easiest way to find your Kraken wallet address is right on the Kraken platform. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your Kraken account. Navigate to the funding section. This is usually located on the top menu bar. Click on Deposit. Select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Scroll down to the Deposit Address section. Your wallet address will be displayed there. That's it. You found your Kraken wallet address. Understanding your wallet address. Your wallet address is a long string of letters and numbers. It's important to double-check it before sending any funds. Even a small mistake can result in your funds being lost forever. When copying your wallet address, make sure to do it manually. Avoid copy-pasting from emails or messages, as they might contain hidden characters that could lead to errors. Using your wallet address. Now that you have your wallet address, how do you use it? Well, it's simple. When sending cryptocurrency to your Kraken wallet, paste your wallet address into the recipient address field. Double-check the address before confirming the transaction. That's all there is to it. Your funds will be sent directly to your Kraken wallet. Security tips. While your Kraken wallet is relatively secure, it's always a good idea to take extra precautions. Here are a few tips. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Keep your Kraken account password strong and unique. Be wary of phishing scams. Never click on links or download attachments from suspicious emails or messages. Store your wallet address in a secure location. Avoid sharing it with anyone you don't trust. Conclusion. Finding your Kraken wallet address is a simple process that can be done in a few clicks. By understanding how your wallet address works and following some basic security tips, you can keep your funds safe and secure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.